Next is temperature calculation, PV is equal to nRT application. So here is the problem statement: find temperature of 1.5 mole N2 in 30 liter at 0.8 atm. Now given N is given 1.5 mole nitrogen, B is given 30 liter, P is given 0.8 atm. Now here that from that PV is equal to nRT, if we rearrange that T is equal to PV by nR. So here we plug that P is 0.8, then V is 30 liter, and then N is 1.5 mole, and R value is 0.08206. Now if we do the calculation, we'll get T is equal to 194.88 Kelvin. So here temperature conversion, so T degree centigrade to T Kelvin, so that will be minus 273.15. So now if I can convert this Kelvin to degree centigrade, we have to subtract 273.15. So finally T will be minus 78.27 degrees centigrade. So here very low temperature, it is a minus, very low temperature indicates extreme condition.